Namaste and Sastriyakal, and welcome back to another sit down video after a really long time. Ignore my messy look, but let's begin. So, I've been using a lot of products from this amazing brand called Mamaearth. So, I thought I'll share with you few products from Mamaearth that I'm using since almost 2 years and I totally love it. So, I would totally recommend it. So before we move ahead, do not forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel because why not? It's free. So let's get into the video. So my first product is Mamaearth Ka Upton Ultra Light Gel. So this is a moisturizer. You also have a cold cream in it, but this is an oil-free moisturizer. I have almost emptied it. It's half ही है. This is very amazing. I'll just show you the texture of it on your skin. Just look at that. It's so good. It's oil free and it's not chip sticky at all. I'll tell you the price also. It's a bit costly, 349, but I got it for 250 from Amazon, Mamaearth ka website, whatever. It is rich with the turmeric and saffron and deep hydration. Totally worth it. So yes. My second product would be the Mamaearth Ka Aloe Vera Gel, which is also almost empty. Just the gel texture. I'll apply everything on my hand. You can apply it on your hair also. You can apply it on your hand. जहाँ भी use करना चाहे. It's for skin and hair both. It's also Ayurvedic kind, pure aloe vera and turmeric, paraben free, dermatologically tested, suits all skin type. 150 ml का price is 249 again, so great hai. You can get for 200 also online. So aloe turmeric gel, they also have aloe vera gel, but I took this one. It's like great for your scalp also. You can also massage it for your hair. So yes, this one also is highly recommended. My third product is Mamaearth Ka anti-dandruff shampoo hair oil. Sorry, not shampoo, anti-dandruff hair oil. I was searching for an anti-dandruff shampoo as well as conditioner, and then I came across this hair oil, which is for itchy and flaky scalp. If you have a dandruff issue just like me, then this one is superb. It's worth it. I just recently using it from 4 to 5 months. It is with infused with lemon and ginger, which is great for dandruff. Dermatologically tested for all hair types, and price is 299. You can always get for a lesser price, so don't worry about the price. Whenever there are discounts, save it in your Amazon, Flipkart, Mamaearth ka cart, and just go for it. So it's very good for your hair, nourishes your scalp. So totally go for it. The Mamaearth anti dandruff hair oil. I usually put it before bath, half an hour में लगा के रखती हूँ, then I go for a bath. Okay, then we have 3 more lipsticks from Mamaearth. So I'll show you the lipstick shade which I have used. Melon red. This is the lipstick shade. I'll just swatch for you guys and show. Okay, I'll swatch it here. Just look at this. Just look at this. It is a bright red. It is a long stay lipstick. But I'll tell you, I'll be very honest with it. It doesn't stay like your Maybelline lipsticks for 12, 14 hours. 7 to 8 hours aram se aa jata. And then you just need to replan. But whenever you apply, it's very smooth, glides very nicely on your lips. It's safe and infused with avocado and vitamin E. So the best part of all the Mamaearth products are they're very safe, dermatologically tested, sulfate and paraben free, and they have lot of ingredients which are good for your hair and skin like avocado, vitamin E, lemon, ginger. They are all very good. So yes. Price, I think so. I'll tell you the price. I'll tell you the price in the end. I have one more. It has a shelf life also of 2 years, and the price is around. I got it for around 280 or so, 250 range में मिल जाएगा. There is another one, the same way, which is bubblegum nude. So yes, I'll show you the shade. I'll do it here. Okay, this is a mauve color. Amazing for your day to day. For my, I used to always wear these lipsticks at workplaces. For work going people, this is great. amazing, and you can't make out a own lipstick. Like, I don't feel it. And the last Mamaearth product is the Mamaearth Soft Matte Long Stay Lipstick in the shade Ruby Red. It is also for around 250-300 range में आ जाएगा. So this is also a very dark lipstick. I'll put it over here. Just look at it. Look at the shades. They are amazing. So I totally recommend all these products. All these products are like, even your all these Mamaearth products are very safe, very good, and totally worth it. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, and peace out.